Welcome back to Bearzer, guys. Today we're going to be fixing this beautiful, not so beautiful right now, giant Anthem X. It really needs a bit of TLC, it needs a bit of love, because if you can see it, it's just right now. It's terrible. Look at this seat. Look at that. It wasn't even on. Wasn't even on until, I did remove it, but look at this. Look how awful this is. Look at that. It's just, there's no love here. But now, thanks to Dad's efforts so far, he's already run the cables for the brakes. He's done a bit of the hard yards already for us. We've got to do the hub, some arms, some pedals, and the derailleur. And then we're going to tidy it up. We're going to make it all nice and pretty. We've got this beautiful carbon fiber seat. Is it real carbon fiber? Yep, it's real. That's the test. That's the official test. Gonna play some music. Let's get into it. Yeah, that's probably... There we go. Yep, perfect. Alrighty, cool. Yep.
That's a 2-speed unit.
We're going with a single speed unit.
We're going with a single speed unit, which is going to limit the amount of
torque you can put down.
Torque you're going to be, like the size of the hills, and also the speed. Like
it's already been lubed. It's already been lubed up. The fine piece. I like the new thing. It looks good. And that just I reckon that just pops right on like that, eh? Alright, we've just chained it up. Look at that. That's pretty close to the edge, eh?
Oh.
What do you reckon?
We seem to be having some sort of
flickering effect?
Rotating motion.
Oh yeah, that's the tyre.
Just hold it as close as you can to the rim. If you're only running a millimetre, I mean we're talking about mountain bikes here, not road races. If you get it to about a millimetre and it doesn't touch the pen, the rim's spinning pretty true. That's what I always do. If it's moving, if for argument's sake it rubs and then it doesn't rub and then it rubs again when it goes right round, then it's only a matter of just tightening up the outer spoke or the spoke pulling in that direction. Right, and you'd come to the next one, tighten it up just a fraction, just enough until you get it straight. It's a bit of a process that you'll have to check on our other videos of rim straightening.
Rim repair.
This one's pretty good.
Right under the wheel.
And we put screws at the fine screws because we lost the screws that go on this hand grip.
Yep.
So we've got a new screw in there and then a different colour screw there, but it's doing its job. It's nice and tight now.
It looks good.
Doesn't move.
The focus is.
We plugged the bar end up so he doesn't end up having a hole in his body because the bar's hit him, or he's landed on the bar.
Impaling, yeah. You don't want to get impaled. You try not to get impaled.
And then this is another thing here.
Well, it really depends on your hobbies.
Where this is out there, it's vulnerable. So what we'd like to do is to spin that round and bring it up closer to the fork. So when he's going through the bush,
you want to avoid things sticking out.
Yeah, and catching that, because that can disengage his. If it catches it out here, a branch or something in the bush,
you might find yourself without a wheel.
You might find yourself, going down the hill and then you have no wheel.
Sayonara.
To hit this.
Yep.
So we'll try and move that.
Go ahead and readjust it. Yeah, get it
to that position, because that's the way it's got.
If the old one's
I think it's ready to give it away.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Deal on where an appropriate place would be to put the Crank Brothers stickers.
We're gonna get some mad action with these stickers, guys.
Given that they're always cranky.
Okay, the trick with the thread, guys, is to find it. You go in the opposite direction till you feel that click, and then you just. Oh.
This is going to be for a later project, so I'm going to just tape that.
Go ahead and tape that up. I think that's maybe cable tie. It was the answer. We love cable ties, man. Oh, I gotcha. Cable ties are the best thing. It probably the Therapist love using cable ties on their projects. Cable ties are one of the best man-made inventions. They just have so many uses.
Exactly.
That's pretty good, man. Like it's not. We have to wait and see on the hill. You know? You have to really. So I'm going to adjust that seat and then we'll give it a good clean up, eh? Rex cannot believe the insanity Feels good?
Yeah.
Turn the gears up. You know how?
Yeah.
Feel them out. See what you reckon. There's a major storm happening right now. Yeah, it's good. Okay. Ready to take it to the park. My Rex cannot believe the whole rigmarole.
We're gonna take the brakes off
Yeah.
and see if they're worn out.
Yeah, have a good look at them. That's the
That's the holding pin.
holding pin we've got there. Make it to the brakes just there.
They won't come out from there. I've got to undo that and that.
Yep.
That's what I mean, getting
The Allen key.
correct Allen key for
Looks
it.
like a
I've
smaller
got a whole
one.
set.
Yeah.
There's a ride where we rode through this flood down at Parramatta. At the Wee, where the ferry is.
Yeah.
The thing was flooded and we rode through it. And the water was like halfway.
You don't want that for your e-bike.
No, luckily I didn't have my e-bike.
You can use this if you want to take a storm ride.
So to get at your brake pads, you got to take. It's pretty easy.
Yep. So next time we go, you're going to take your e-bike and I'll take this and we just swap around.
You can do that.
And just every time I get tired, I'll use your e-bike, and if you want to have a
You'll
workout.
get more tired on the e-bike.
You reckon?
Yeah, what's I used to drag. It's not really a good e-bike. Well, not for people that aren't.
Yeah, because your one doesn't have, like, it doesn't help you that much.
This is actually easy to ride them on.
It's pretty funny that, eh? And everyone will assume that your bike is, like, cheating.
Yeah, that's fine. I can assume that.
Yeah. You know, guys, the one thing you have to learn in life is that cheating only matters if you're good at something.
Yeah.
If you're mediocre at it, then no one cares.
Alrighty, so they're our brake pads. Let's have a look. He's probably got maybe one good ride left in that.
Yeah, it will save your life. I think
You can see the thickness of that pad compared to the thickness of a new pad.
I mean, there's just nothing there, really, is
Well,
it?
there's something, but
It's just night and day.
yeah, you want to stay on top of that. That's not something that you want to not check. Because if you're hammering down a big hill and you have no brakes, it's not like a motorbike where you can shuffle down gears.
Is this a specialty tool?
Yeah, but not for this job.
Not for that. This is the this is what you use for suspension.
Used to preload my
Yeah.
oils. Every person has a different level of skill, and
Yeah, because
How far
the perfect setup might not be perfect for you. Like someone like a race car driver would have a setup on their car that just would feel terrible to you because of the skill level. They're able to take advantage of how it's set up. But for someone like yourself, you know,
you're on
you specifically watching this video, you don't have that skill, so you're going to be struggling with it.
at the end of the day.
You'll have a, yeah.
You're going.
We've got the closing statements already. We're at the closing.
You're only ever racing against yourself.
That's right.
Your personal best.
That's true. That's a good lesson. It's you versus you.
It's you versus you, and don't worry about everybody else.
Everybody else. There's two sides to that, of course.
Yeah, if you want to get
Because-
professional, go
Because
hard.
obviously you have to beat other people if you want to get
That's
to on another level. It's
like
kind of
we always used to say.
inherently,
Go hard or go home.
yeah. And you could do both, really, if you really want
yeah,
to.
you could. You could go hard and go home.
There's no reason you don't have to go home. You
But-
could go home.
Don't go so hard that you can't go home.
That's really the takeaway.
Wrong.
That's the thing. If there was your forearms are insane, man. They're so vascular. They're so pumped right now.
That's from vascular therapy.
You're not even flexing, are you?
No,
Jesus Christ.
from vascular therapy.
Jesus, man. Vascular therapy.
Thanks to the Crank brothers.
The Crank brothers know a thing or two about vascular arms.
Well, they know about something. Crank.
They know about cranking. They know how to get pumped arms, that's for sure. If the Crank brothers know anything, it's about how to get pumped arms.
Like, they don't call them the Crank brothers.
No, it's not. It has nothing to do with bicycles. It's turning into a 4-hour job.
There's so much. Like, you look at that.
Yeah.
I've got to try and get that over the top of this disc. So I need at
Separated.
least
You need more than that. You got nothing.
1.75 millimeters of clearance,
At least.
which I'm not getting right now. So we might have to cut to a break.
Yeah, we'll cut to a break. Alright guys, I've just given it a bit of a tidy up and we've just done the brakes.
What do you think?